What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw Mike from Monsters Inc. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw a large circle for the eye. We're going to start at the very top in the middle, go all the way around towards the bottom, go up on the right side, and then bring that back in towards the middle. Now I want to pull the iris and pupil down towards the bottom. Let's start from the top in the center, draw a circle coming down towards the bottom of the eye, go up, and then back in. Let's draw a smaller circle in the center of the iris for the pupil. Add a small circle on the top left for highlight, and then we'll fill in the bottom of the pupil going around that highlight. Let's add a fold along the top of the eye. Starting on the left, bring this up. It's going up a little bit higher in the middle, come across, and then back down. Now I'm going to move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. Let's start on the left side, bend this down, and then back up. And I'll fold the cheeks on top of the corners of the mouth. Let's go back to the left side and draw the bottom of the mouth. Come down, round this out, and then pull that up. Now you want to add the top row of teeth. We're going to start in the center, bend this down, and then up toward the left. Go back to the center, and do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to add a few more teeth on either side. Let's draw the bottom row of teeth. Starting in the middle, go up and then down. We'll add one more. Now in between the teeth, we're going to add a curve going up and then down for the tongue. And it'll fill the inside of the mouth along the top, going around the teeth and the tongue. Now I'm going to go back and draw on the side of the head. Start from the left side of that fold, bend this out, come down, and then in around the cheeks. Line this up on the right, going out, down, and then in. I'm going to go back up to the top and add in the horns. Let's start on the left. Bend this out and up. Let's round out the horn, come down, and then back in. Let's leave a gap on the side for the arms and draw on the bottom of the body. So we step down, curve the body, coming down and in, just underneath the mouth, go across, and then up towards the right. Now I'm going to place the legs in underneath the body. Leaving a large gap in the center, let's go to the left. Curve the leg going down and out towards the knee, go to the right, do the same thing. And from the knee, bend the leg coming in and then down towards the heels. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Come down and up towards the first toe. Now from the edge of the foot, draw the first toe coming down, around, and then in, like a C. Let's layer two more toes in behind. Top, go all the way around and in, and I'll add one more. Now I'm going to go back up and draw the outside of the leg. From the top, let's step out, bend the leg going out, and then down towards the knee. Come down, and then bend this out on top of the first toe. And I want to add a small claw on the tip of each toe. Go out and down, and back in, and just work our way out. Now I'm going to go back up and draw on the arms. From this point, I'm going to step down, angle the arm going out and then down towards the elbows. And then from here, bend this down and then in towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Now I'm going to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb. I'm going to come down and up around that bracket. Step down, go out, and then up. And then the third finger going all the way around and then in towards the outside of the wrist. Now we're going to draw on the outside of the arm. From the side of the body, let's step up to create a fold, and it's out, and then down towards the elbows. I'm just going to make our way down towards the outside of the wrist with a curve. And then we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Mike from Monsters Inc. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.